Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking again about the TheSignaler indicator. It is the perfect indicator for TradingView and it gives out really high probability signals for you to take and make some money. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's jump over to the chart so I can show you. Okay guys, now that we are on the charts, you can see we are on the Bitcoin chart, and to get the indicator on your charts, you just go to here, invite only, click TheSignaler.com here, and all of this will pop up on your charts. Now, we do have settings, but once you get signed up, we can show you the best settings for you to have to basically get the most out of this indicator, as there's quite a lot of settings and it can be a bit overwhelming, but we do have the best settings. So once you sign up, we've got everything you need for that. Now, as you can see here, the indicator does plot out a sort of SMC market structure for you to use, but the signals are what we're going to focus on today. And this indicator works really well in the New York session and the 15-minute time frame, and it's really good on Bitcoin, gold, Ethereum, and the Nasdaq, right? But today I'm just going to show you Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you the trade that I took on Sunday with the signal that this gave out. Now, as you can see, we are coming into New York here, and as we came down, it gave a short signal. Now, one thing that I do look for here is obviously room to trade into, but also with this oscillator here, there is a particular criteria that we look for. Our sponsor today is helping people scale their privacy online. Now, if you're trying to automate your business online, then you are going to need a proxy. Proxy for You is the best and by far the most reasonable proxy provider out there in the market today. You get fast, reliable proxies with unlimited bandwidth. Whether you're scraping bots or just browsing, it is perfect for you. Go to Proxy for You today with all the links that you need in the description below. What do you say? Let's get back to the video. To just confirm that entry, I don't particularly want to spoil it for you because it does come with the people that do sign up to this, but when this call was given, it was a high probability trade. So I took the short. You can see the entry lines here. So the candle was here, the stop loss is here, and the take profits, you've got take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. So as you can see, on Sunday, it went down, smashed all of them, and I bagged my 3R win. Now the stop loss is based on a ATR, like an average true range. So if you just imagine a Bollinger Band going around here, you're just tucking your stop loss in behind that, and the take profits are 1-to-1s, 2-to-1s, 3-to-1s. Now obviously, depending on the signal, we'll tell you TP1's high probability, TP3 this time is high probability. We do have a community. We have guys that will teach you how to use this indicator to the best of its ability. So obviously the community will grow and you can grow with it, and obviously you can start bagging some profits like me. I've been using this indicator for a few months now and I absolutely love it. So if I'm going to just replay this so you can see how this worked real time. So I'm just going to roll it back to just before the signal was given. We're going to just hit the play button there, and as you can see, the entry call was given, the stop loss is put behind there, and to just play this out, you can see roughly how long this took. Now it is a 15-minute time frame, so these can slap, but normally what you're looking at is just a follow of market structure, comes back up, takes a little liquidity sweep to fuel the move down, and there you go, your 3R win, 3%, nothing to snub your nose at. As always, the risk that I recommend is 1% on whatever accounts. If you're trading a 100 grand account and you're risking 1%, you're risking $1,000. And if you're winning your TP3, you're making 3 grand. But as I said before, there's a lot going on with this indicator. It is that way for a reason. It's been highly developed to be very good, to give out very good signals for you to follow. And obviously we can help you program the settings so you can do that. Now, All the descriptions are in the link below, but we're going to head over to the website and you can see here, this is how you are to do it. So you can start with a 7-day free trial, so you can try it yourself, get involved. We'll show you how to set it up properly in terms of all the settings that you need. Obviously, if you want to have signals, alerts come through to your phone, we can show you how to do that. If you want to see particular technical analysis on there as well, we can show you how to program that, because it sets up for SMC, ICT, literally anything. But obviously the signals are what you want to pay attention to. They're very accurate. There's a lot that they give out, and obviously you could be making money with this. And once you've got your 7-day free trial, test it yourself, right? Like I said, we're here to support you. We want you to succeed, and obviously having this on your chart for 7 days, you'll see the profits that you can make. And once you've done that, just go ahead and buy the indicator. Now, it is a one-time purchase for $597. That is over a 50% discount right now. It will not stay like that forever. So I don't want to say, you know, it's going to bump back up to 1,300, but it will. So there is a bit of a time limit on this, so just go ahead, grab the 7-day free trial. It costs you nothing, and then once you see how powerful this indicator is, just go ahead and buy it. It's absolutely nothing. You'll make your money back on that anyway. So as you can see, guys, that is a top tier TradingView indicator, and as I've shown you, you can go onto the website and get the 7-day free trial, or just buy it outright. And obviously we can then talk you through the best settings to maximize your profits in the markets. But once you sign up, we can help you out with that. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be alerted on my next video.